Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. In this first serious summer heat, we, with my apprentice Gregor, decided to bring this mugo pine in. I styled this tree 9 months ago. You can find the detailed video about this styling in our archives. I will also put the link in descriptions below. As you can see, the tree reacted really well, and so now is the time for the next step. When I published that video about the first styling, there were some concerns in the comments about the right timing, but as you can see, the tree is strong, and as I mentioned before, the tree reacted really well, and it's now ready for the new steps. There were also some comments about why I'm using aluminum wire. Again, I am always using aluminum wire for the first styling and the first steps of the development of the tree. I use the copper wire at the final stages or when I prepare the tree for the shows, simply because the aluminum wire is way cheaper. In the box, in the soil, you can see the real alpine flora. You can see the blackberries, then the alpine fern, and also a small larch which is growing there for last 4 years. I am planning to repot that small larch into the small pot next year, but this is also the illustration that the conditions in the box are really great. So, what can be done on this tree just 9 months after the first styling? Well, my plan is to put some more definition into the crown. Then I will put some more work also into the Deadwood. I will remove the raffia, which is still on after bending of the branches. Then I will do some selection of the buds. But first, of course, I must cut off the old wire. Okay, now everything is ready for removing the raffia, which can be annoying sometimes. The raffia is gone. The good news is also that all the guy wires which hold the bend in the position did their job very well, and they are not needed anymore. In the afternoon I visited Rock, who has completed a special project, a display table with a very special story behind it. The tabletop is made from walnut wood that grew in front of my childhood home. a beautiful table rock. I can't wait to use it at an exhibition in near future. I'm shooting this the day after I cut off all the wire and raffia, and now you can clearly see how the branches are starting to move back into the original position. The main line of this tree should be like this, or it has been like this, but now the branch starts to move back. So I will repeat the job. But before the wiring, I will work on the Deadwood a little bit. Okay, the work on that wood is done for now. Let's put the tree back into the order. First I will put the thick wire on this branch to create back the main line where it already was. Because this branch was already bent once, it doesn't need the raffia anymore. Also, I will put the wire just on the top, on this fork here, because I will pull then the top back in the position by the guide wire. Without a problem. So now the main line, the main spiral is back where it already was. Even though now the tree looks like a mess, it will be easy job to put it back into the order. So let's wire the pine. And this is job done on this tree, for now. This was also a demonstration what happens if we cut the wire off the tree too soon. The branches have not yet retained their shape and the tree returns in its original state. So why I did cut the wire off the tree and rewire it? Because I gained some more definition and better structure in the crown, and because I am planning to repot this tree in the spring into the first bonsai pot. Normally I would let the wire on this tree until next summer, but because I don't want to put additional stress on the tree after the repotting, I did it already now. Otherwise, I let the wire on the trees, especially on conifers and especially on mugo pines, for about 2 years until the wire starts to cut into the bark and it is obvious that it is starting to cut. Then I remove the wire step by step. You can support our channel with becoming the member of it, or you can simply click the thanks button below. You can also buy some merch from our web shop. The link is in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.